Hi everybody, my name is Chiara and in this tutorial I will show you how to configure the InkSpot Safety Radar equipment in an easy way. We will be setting up a system composed of two 200 series smart sensors and one 200 series control unit, equipped with an Ethernet fieldbus. InkSpot Safety products are the first SIL 2 PLD and UL listed radars in the world. They provide advanced operator safety in dangerous areas through access detection and restore prevention functions. Now, let's see how to connect the system and complete the initial setup with the InkSpot Safety application. We start by connecting the control unit to the power supply. Then we connect it to the first sensor. After this, we connect the first sensor to the second one, and so on. It is possible to connect up to 6 smart sensors to each control unit. The InkSpot Safety application can be downloaded through the InkSpot official website. Now that the software is downloaded and installed, let's first select the desired language. Click on the drop-down list at the right-hand corner of the screen. Let's have a look at the main part of the page. We have 3 scenarios for the device connection: the Ethernet connection, the USB connection, and the system simulator mode. But which one do we choose according to our needs? Let's find out. The choice between Ethernet and USB connection is based on the cable availability, and obviously with respect to the control unit model, whether it is provided with an Ethernet port or not. To connect the control unit to the computer via Ethernet, we take a standard Ethernet cable and insert it in the correct port. In order to communicate with each other, the computer's IP address must be in the same subnet of the control unit. In this example, we connect the Ethernet cable to the control unit and the computer. As we can see at the top right-hand corner, there is a Discovery tool. The Discovery tool automatically searches on the network for available InkSpot devices. The model of the detected product is shown right here with its NID identifier and its current IP address. The checkbox means that the control unit is reachable, and we can now connect to the device by clicking here. Otherwise, a triangle with an exclamation mark means that it is necessary to either change the IP settings of the computer so that it is in the same subnet of the control unit, or connect via USB. After the first connection, the system can also be configured remotely. If we choose to connect with USB, instead we need a USB to micro USB data cable. A charging-only cable won't work. Connecting it to the correct port of the control unit. To complete the operation, just click on the Continue button. That's it. Keep in mind that if we use a Windows computer, we need to download and install a specific driver to recognize the control unit. Such a driver is available for download at the same link of the InkSpot Safety application. The System Simulator mode allows using the software even when you don't have a physical system at your disposal. In other words, it is possible to create a configuration without physically connecting to the device. In this way, connecting the device on site will make it easier to load the prototype configuration and refine only the details, instead of starting from scratch. You can find further information right here, Resources and Tools. Identify system specifications. This comes in handy in case of problems, since it allows identifying the system depending on the version of firmware and software you have. These specifications help our technical support team understand what is not working and how to solve the issue. This other option allows upgrading the system's firmware to the latest version. It does not involve any connection to the internet or any download. It is only a wizard containing the software that automatically upgrades the control unit. Now, let's get down to business. Connect the device and enter the system configuration. We select Ethernet connection and click on the device detected by Discovery tool. A wizard, that is a guided process for the configuration, opens and it divides into the following points. We need to choose a password for the control unit to log in as an administrator and configure all the features. We have to choose which and how many sensors to connect to the control unit. In this case, we have two 200 series sensors, model S201A. We have to select the country where the system will be installed. Be careful and select the correct country to comply with that country's national regulations. We must select whether the sensors are placed on a fixed machinery or on a moving vehicle to comply with the product's certification. Well done! Configuration completed! Now the system will work for a few seconds to save the settings. In case we made a mistake in the configuration, just reset to factory defaults in the settings and repeat the wizard. This is the main screen of the InkSpec Safety application. To continue with the configuration of your devices, watch the next video. Thanks for watching! See you soon!